Hello, welcome to Tally installation section. In this section we are going to look at how to download the Tally program and how can we install the Tally program. So if you want to download the Tally ERP9 software, first you need to go to the tallysolution.com. If you enter the tallysolution.com, you can see that Tally Solution. This is a website you can download the Tally software. I'm going to open the tallysolution.com. Now you can see that tallysolution.com interface. I'm going to download the Tally latest software. I'm going to press download button. There are two options. If you click the download button, and it will come to the two option, install now, download. If it is install now, mean if you connect with the internet, you can press install now. The setup file not download in your computer, but it's automatically installed in your computer. But if you press the download, the setup file will be downloaded in your computer, and then you can install the setup file. After that you are able to use the Tally ERP9. So I'm going to press download button. If I click the download button, the setup file will be downloaded here. You can see right now the setup file start to download. Now you can see the setup file, it's downloaded. So I'm going to install into the computer. I'm going to double click and run. So you can see that the one of the window will appear, Tally ERP9 empowering business since 1986. It's asking where the Tally software need to be installed. So I choose that C program Tally ERP9. If you want to change the installation folder, you can change it, but I'm going to install the C program file Tally ERP9. So I'm going to press install. So it will be installed into your computer. Now the Tally software installed in your computer. You have successfully installed ERP9 series release 6.6.1, and I'm going to press done. Then you can see here the Tally software symbol will appear here. So then you can press, if you press, the Tally software will be run. Then you can see here the first one, the first setup is license operation. So the first activate your license. If you have the license, you can enter the license and activate. And now I'm going to use work in educational mode. It is, if you press work in educational mode, you are able to teach the Tally software, but some restriction. The restriction is you can enter the date 1st, 2nd and 30 of the month. Other rest of the date you cannot enter the details into the Tally software. So that's a restriction. I'm going to use work in educational mode. It's a trial version, so I'm going to select work in educational mode, double click, and it will be open. You understand how can we install the Tally software ERP9.